Hello, my name is Fatty Bear, and I have some superly fan-fucking-tastic news about the Humongous Bunch. Today, we have made our official fan/official Humongous Bunch website. It was created at a swell website maker and designer. We are still working on the memberships, but all our recorded info, YouTube videos and recent events will be archived there. I am so goddamn happy. Now that we have come out of hiding, we will begin to upload swell Humongous Bunch Goes to videos. They will be completely different from the Barney Bunch's videos. Another swell update. More members will be joining our swell channel, in the form of other channels. They will have their own swell adventures as well. This is indeed the biggest movement in the Humongous Bunch's history ever. And now truly Drew Pickles and his gang of faggots will be completely wiped out. Also, remember more videos are coming to this swell new channel. It seems we have a few response videos we will be responding to. One is to our swell member Spy Fox. Apparently his insult to that faggot Mr. Fantastic Fox has gotten his panties in a bunch. So now he will respond to him, and his new gang of faggots. Spy Fox, if you will.
Hello, Mr. Fantastic Fox. If you're watching this, I know about you and your little gang of faggots. You think you can all take down this smooth-ass faggot? I have many new sexual gadgets I will be trying on all of you if you even fucking think about doing anything else. You can't mess with a Humongous Bunch and its new members of highly trained shit-eaters. I will now respond to you and your dumbass assortment of shit for brains. So Mr. Fantastic Faggot, you say you don't compete in the gay category, yet you have a fucking wife. That proves you are either a man-child fuckery or a bisexual retard. You call me an egotistical prick when I am clearly not. It is the truth. I am more gayer than your or this badger bunch you've collected, and I could kick all your asses with my eyes closed just by pressing a button on my superest. Mrs. Felicity Fox. You were always an attention-seeking, begging on the knees, cock-sucking slutbag, and will always be one. Denial is the first step, but then you will realize that you indeed put a male dick in your mouth. The factor with Fantastic Fox proves his bullshit statements. Ha. I laugh at you. As for you, Ash, you could never rape an experienced spy and assassin in the asshole. I could fucking break your neck and perform necrophilia in a fraction of a millisecond. You are as weak as your father. Lol. To Christopherson. So you're his nephew? I don't give a rat's ass. Seeing how you're straight, why the shitty goddamn dildo should I care? You will be raped extra hard in your cornhole, forever thinking about a woman, you heterosexual transvestite. And I am an assassin. You can't break my nose when I crack your head open like a fucking watermelon and literally fuck your brains. Addressing the badger person. It is a neat idea that you stay out of this seriously heated decision. I have a known tale of the fucking people to the point of amnesia. It's a small little talent, so I have no beef with you. And finally responding to Clyde Badger. I'm guessing you're the brains behind this badger bunch. Ha. You look like King Kong in a goddamn suit. You cannot rape me, because I'm unrapeable. I have raped 4095I60946469 more faggots than Fantastic Fox can count. I am also a lawyer, for I took a class in how to bend the law to my will. That case will close faster than your asshole will when I use butt clamps. So help me God, I'll use butt clamps. Anyways, I have replied to all of your fucking dumb shit responses. All I have to say is, come at me, bro. You have all been warned. Back to you, my swell-ass pirate.
Well, that certainly was a response, I'll say. Anyways, be sure to check out our swell website. It's in the link in our channel, and in THS video. That is all we have to say about our swell new updates. Until then, expect us. We are the Humongous Bunch. We are queer. We are here, and we will fuck you in the rear. Goodbye.